are you looking at me like this is my fault?
Because it is your fault.
Yeah, you're probably right.
This season on Teen Wolf, there are a lot of things I don't understand yet, but that doesn't mean that everything is suddenly possible. It's like they came out of the shadows. The old force of nature. You don't fight a tsunami. You endure it. This town needs someone to protect it.
Come on, McCall. Become the beast. Become everything you're afraid of. What if I can't control it?
You turn into an animal. Or worse, you turn into Peter.
You didn't hear that.
Lydia, I'm not sure anybody hears what you hear.
Voices.
Are you scared?
Not right now.
Show me what to do.
Have you ever heard of something called a kitsune? Kitsune is called the trickster spirit.
You find that animal. You find that thing.
There is one. A dark spirit. They call it void.
They're not gonna kill each other, are they?
I think they're gonna try.
We're going to destroy all of them.
Isaac!
One. Die.
I want to come home, but you have to help me. Did we just get there?
I thought I'd go crazy missing you.
Tell me what happened.
The exclusive season premiere, Pretty Little Liars. Tuesday, January 7th. And Rain returns January 22nd, only on M3.
It could be our secret.